Well, look at a spy out there in the clouds. Well, not even in the clouds. What am I saying? I'm out here walking the cat. Right, Biddy? Huh? She got. You don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm actually on the phone and I'm taking a video at the same time. Okay, so I look up in the sky and there's a bright light out there. Nothing else around. Nothing else around except for that. Just looks like a white orb. Let's see if I can get a shot here. Yeah, just out here walking the cat. Just around the block. She's freaking laying down. You brat. Come on. Let's go. She's going to make me pick her up. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about that? Yeah. Not going to change. It'll move through the sky just like it was a star. Yeah. That's Main Street, Collinsville, people. Seriously. Walking the cat on Main Street. Although you can't see. Let's see here. I don't see the